Hey guys, today I'm taking y'all to my tribe. We're making white soup. Fiafere, but let's get into this video. We're gonna start off this soup by boiling our goat's meat. So we're gonna add that and then come in with onions and bouillon cube. You just need 2 of that. Then you're also gonna add salt, about 1.5 teaspoons. Guys, ingredients are in the caption. Also, you're gonna be using Cameroon pepper, not red pepper, because Cameroon pepper is what adds the spice to this particular dish. So make sure you add water enough to boil your meat till it's really soft, and then when you're done, while it's cooking, you're gonna boil some yam. Guys, afiafere boat is always eating with pounded yam, not with any other swallow, because it's always so nice. So when you're done boiling, you take out your yam from the water, and please don't throw this water away because you're gonna add it back into the soup like I'm doing now. So make sure you add that back into the soup because it's supposed to serve as flavor to this particular meal. So mix that together and let it boil. So when it's done boiling, you're going to come in with Periwinkle, and you're also going to add in stockfish. Guys, this soup is already looking so good. Mix that together and you're still going to let this sit for a while. If you have dry fish, you can add it at this point, but my dry fish is already soft, that's why I did not add it here. So now you're going to come in with some more water if your soup has started to reduce and you want, a lot of that water. Now the next thing you're going to do is adding pounded yam. This is supposed to serve as a thickener to the soup. So at this point, you can determine how much pounded yam you want to add to your soup depending on how thick you want it to be. But the way I was taught, you don't really need to add too much because the soup is not supposed to be too thick, So make sure you mix that together and then you cover your pot and let it boil. Now guys, this is what we call Uyayak. This particular spice brings the whole pounded yam soup together, white soup together, so make sure it's a very key ingredient in this white soup. So you're going to cut that in half and then just add it to your soup, and then you're going to let it boil and make sure all the flavors come together. Guys, at this point you are almost done with your soup, so make sure you taste it to see if you need to add any salt or any seasoning and all of that. So now we're going to add more water because, as I said, if your soup is getting dry, you need more water. Add in crayfish and blended yellow pepper. That's just basically habanero pepper. And then you're going to come in with your dry fish. Guys, crayfish is important too, so please don't forget. Add your dry fish and then mix that together. And also that yellow pepper is important. Taste it. And if you need more bouillon cube, you can add it to it. And guys, your soup is ready to be eaten. Wow, I can't believe I made this though, because I've been watching my mom make it for a really long time, and me making it to me was really, for me, it was just like an achievement. So scoop that out. Guys, remember that Uyayak spice that we put? It is not supposed to be eaten, don't go and eat it. It's just to flavor the soup. So when you're done, you just scoop your soup out and then you're gonna be eating this with your pounded yam. Pounded yam. You cannot eat it with any other swallow. You will not enjoy it. Eat it with pounded yam. And guys, this is our soup. Please, you're gonna be trying this, let me know in the comment section. And guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It really means a lot to me. Like this video if you love it. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.